Alright, we're doing test review for Unit 2 test. 5 different ratio statements based on the diagram below. So one I can do is 4 dogs, 3 cats. Okay, so 4 dogs, 3 cats. Or I can do the same thing, but double the numbers, the whole thing. 8 dogs, 6 cats. So that's another ratio. Or I can do each pair right here, I can break it up into 2 cats, 1 hamster each, 2 cats, 1 hamster. Or I can make a larger pair, that is 3 hamsters. And if I do 3 hamsters, then I compare that to 6 cats. So that is already 4 ratios. Or I can compare between the dogs and the hamster. So the total, of course, the total would have 8 dogs, 3 hamsters. Okay. Question 2. A mixture of purple paint contains 10 yellow and 5 teaspoons of blue to make same shade of green paint using. So to make green paint, you need 10 yellow. So right here, I'm going to do yellow and then blue. So the recipe is 10 yellow, 5 blue. So in order for me to make 35 blue, right here, 35 blue. So right here, 35 blue. So the basic thing is asking myself, what is the math to get from 5 to 35? So I need 7 batches. So 5 times 7 is 35. So 7 batches. So if I do the same, 7 batches. So then that means 7 times 10 is 70. If I do a double number line, all right, so yellow, blue, so 0, 0, but for every 10 yellow, there's 5 blue, and then I continue 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then if I continue the pattern, writing out the numbers, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. So that would be my answer for double number line 4. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then skip count by 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. So Jesus rode his bike 6 miles for 24 minutes. He rode at a constant speed. Complete the table. So one basic idea is, what is the math to get from one to the other? So to get from one to the other, all right, so what math do I need to do? Well, easy enough. If I go here, I multiply by 6 times 4 gets you 24. So if that's the math, the ratio, then from here to here is the same. Gets you 1 times 4 is 4. Now, of course, if you go from left to right and multiply, so going from left to right and multiply, so that means from right to left, if I go reverse order, from right to left, the other way, instead of multiplying, I will divide by 4. So if 1 divided by 4, or 1/4, or 0.25. Okay, so, alright, next problem. Jorge mixes 3 scoops of orange powder with, so 3 scoops of orange powder with 9. Alright, so right here, that's his number. Recipe 3 and 9. while Belinda mixes 4 with 10. So this is her recipe. So the question is, are they the same taste? All right, so if you do the math, are they the same taste? So just do the quick math that you can see here. So from here to here, the easy way again is going from left to right. So from left to right, what do you multiply by? So multiply by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So if that's the case, remember, if you go reverse, then you divide. So if you multiply going left to right, then if you go reverse, you divide by 3. So you divide by 3 before. Okay? So going this way, multiply by 3. Going left to right is multiply by 3. Same thing, multiply by 3. So when you're 1.5 times 3 is 4.5. Alright, so now on this one it's easy going from left to right, but the other side for Belinda is a little bit different. You do this instead. It's easier if you do multiplication from top to bottom. How many batches? So from 10 to 20, you multiply by 2 batches. So it's 2 batches. Then over here, you also multiply by 2 batches, so that gets you 8. All right, so 20 cups for 8. And then here it's just a blank, so I'm just going to match it here. So put a 1. And then the questions I don't know here yet, so but I know the math. I can do the math here. So from here to here, what math do I need to get? From 8 to 1, I divide by 8. So 8 to 1, 20 to 1, I can divide by 8. And if I do the math there, 20 divided by 8 is 1.5. If you did right. Alright. And the last one, I can do again similarly, multiply by 2. From 1 to 2 is 2. From here to here, multiply by 2 batches. 1 times 2 is 2. 1.5 times 2 is 3. So, does the drink taste the same? Or is it different? So is it the same or all orangey? So now there's several ways to do this. One way is compare this one right here. So compare this one. So this one right here, 1 powder for George, Jorge, 3 water. Belinda, 1 powder, 1.5. So Belinda, according to this, uses less water. Use less water. Alright, so Belinda uses less water. Okay, so since Belinda uses less water, so Belinda will be more orangey, okay, or more powder flavor. Okay. Or another way you can compare is right here. A different way. A different way is look at this one. And this one. Look at that. Both George, Jorge, and Belinda uses 4. So both use 4 powder, but George, Jorge uses 12 cups of water, while Belinda uses 10. So 4 cups of powder. Okay, and then Jorge uses 12 cups of water, while Belinda uses 10. So obviously, different flavor. Last question. A bag contains 100 marble. So total. Grand total is 100 marbles. Now they have different numbers. For red, some are red, and the rest are black. So there are 4 red marbles for every 1. 4 red marble for 1 black marble. So let's write that down. 4 red, so make a table. 4 red, Black is 1. Total is 5. Because you add these two, it equals to 5. Ultimately, the question is asking how much is for 100 total. So, again, similarly, what I've always we've been doing is the math. So, what math do we do to get from 5 to 100? So, how many batches? Multiply that by 20. So, you're going to do 20 batches of that. Okay, so you're going to do 20. So, multiply by 20 here. Multiply. So, 4 times 20 is 80. Same thing here. Multiply by 20. 1 times 20 is 20. So if you add them up, it does give you 100. So how many reds? 80 reds. How many black?